Hi, it's Maggie. It's day 19 of 30 Days of Sketches. This one is designed by Pam Nichols. And I'm going to start by kind of turning the sketch upside down. So I have my American Crafts umbrellas. I have a cricket title that I made ages ago, and I'm just gonna finish putting that together, building up the layers with the darker clouds as well. And I'm sorry if you can hear my dog's collar on his bowl. He's eating. I figure hopefully they can be quiet for 5 minutes so I can do this. Apparently not. So this, excuse me, these pictures were taken in June. That's a selfie of mine. And we had a huge storm. And it was, of course, recycling day. And everybody's cans all the way up the street, every single one of them, the recycling was all over the yard because it was windy and everything just blew over. And you could see the amount of water in the, I forget what those things are called. In like the storm drain. It was madness. So I can see it in the picture. I don't know if you can, but there's like a white box in the picture on the right side in the corner. That's the recycling truck. So I happened to look outside and saw the recycling all over the yard and the truck going up the street. And I'm like, oh no. So I ran out there, threw a coat on because it was downpouring, lightning, thundering. And I went out there, picked up my recycling, and then I went east and picked up that neighbor's recycling. And by the time I got done with hers, the truck was coming right back down the road. So then I went to the neighbor west of me and picked up his. And by the time I got done with his, the truck was right there. And I didn't get all of his picked up. So I just, recycling in newspapers and stuff, if they get loose, they're just everywhere. Because it's so windy here on the prairie. And now Archer wants outside. I swear to God. The wind just whips through here. Knocks everything over. So, there's my title, Rain, Rain, Go Away. And I'm just using some stickers. Those wood veneer clouds are from MK's shop. Some assemblage required. And the acrylic flowers are from Color Cast Designs. And I will link both of those in the description box. And I think that's all I really do. Oh, just embellishing a little bit more. That is from Pink Fresh. The other one is from Pebbles. The little wood veneer thing there is from Color Cast as well. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.